Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're diving into how what you eat can transform your skin from the inside out. Skincare isn't just about creams and serums. Your diet plays a huge role in your skin's health and glow. We'll break down the science behind nutrition and skin and give you practical tips to feed your skin for a radiant complexion. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Why nutrition matters for your skin. We're diving deep into the connection between what you eat and how your skin looks and feels. Your skin is your body's largest organ, acting as a protective barrier against the outside world. It's constantly renewing itself every month, shedding old cells and creating new ones. This is a continuous cycle. This renewal depends heavily on the nutrients it receives from your diet, the building blocks for healthy skin. And without these essential nutrients, your skin can become dry, irritated, or inflamed, signaling a deficiency. A strong skin barrier, built from dietary lipids and proteins, is your skin's first line of defense. It protects against pollution, harmful UV rays from the sun, and potentially harmful bacteria. Collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm, supple, and youthful, are also vital. Their production and maintenance rely on key nutrients like vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. On the other hand, too much sugar in your diet can damage collagen, leading to premature aging. This damage speeds up the aging process and can cause sagging and wrinkles to appear sooner. Furthermore, inflammation stemming from a poor diet can trigger or worsen skin conditions like acne, eczema, and redness. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your meals can help calm your skin and reduce these issues. Conversely, processed foods and unhealthy fats can exacerbate inflammation and make skin problems even worse. Ultimately, nutrition is about giving your skin the essential tools and resources it needs to effectively repair itself, defend against damage, and stay resilient against environmental stressors. Remember, there's no single miracle food. It's about adopting a consistent, balanced approach to your diet. Feed your skin well with the right nutrients, and it will undoubtedly show in its health and appearance. Now let's delve deeper and look at the specific nutrients your skin loves and needs most to thrive. Chapter 2. Skin-loving nutrients. Let's dive into the essential vitamins and minerals that can transform your skin from the inside out. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. It also fights free radicals, protecting your skin from environmental damage. You can easily find it in citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. Berries are another fantastic source. Don't forget leafy greens packed with vitamin C and other beneficial antioxidants. Vitamin A supports cell turnover, helping to reveal a fresh and radiant complexion. It's vital for maintaining healthy skin cell production. You can get it from carrots, known for their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts to vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are another excellent choice. And of course, spinach provides a good dose of vitamin A as well. Vitamin E protects cell membranes from damage and soothes inflammation, contributing to a calmer and more resilient skin barrier. Almonds and sunflower seeds are great sources of this powerful antioxidant, and avocados are great sources of vitamin E, plus healthy fats that nourish the skin. Omega-3 fatty acids keep skin hydrated from within and calm inflammation, reducing redness and irritation. Incorporate salmon into your diet. Also consider sardines, flax seeds, and walnuts for a plant-based omega-3 boost. Zinc helps heal skin and control oil production, making it essential for those prone to acne. Oysters, beans, and nuts are rich in zinc, so add them to your meals. Protein is the building block for collagen and elastin, the structural components that give your skin its firmness and elasticity. Include lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes in your daily diet to support healthy skin structure. These nutrients work together synergistically to keep your skin strong, clear, and glowing. Focus on variety. Incorporate colorful fruits, veggies, healthy fats, and quality protein into your daily meals. Your skin will thank you for nourishing it from the inside out. Next, let's talk about foods that can sabotage your skin and lead to unwanted breakouts or dullness. Avoiding the wrong foods is just as important as eating the right ones when it comes to achieving a healthy and radiant complexion. Here's what to watch out for and minimize in your diet. Chapter 3. Inflammatory foods to avoid. Refined sugar and high glycemic carbs spike blood sugar, fueling inflammation and breakouts. White bread, pastries, and sugary drinks are top offenders. Swap them for whole grains. Processed meats like bacon and deli slices are high in sodium and preservatives, which stress your skin. Fried foods and trans fats found in packaged snacks and margarine increase inflammation and dull your complexion. Dairy, especially skim milk, can trigger acne in some people. Try cutting back if you notice breakouts. Focus on fresh, whole foods and limit processed, sugary, and fried options. Small changes can make a big difference in your skin's clarity. Next, let's talk about hydration, a simple but powerful skin booster. Water is your skin's best friend. Here's why. Chapter 4: Hydration and Skin Health. Hydration is key for plump, resilient skin. Dehydration shows up as dryness, tightness, and more visible lines. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, but listen to your body. Pale yellow urine is a good sign. Eat water-rich foods like cucumber, watermelon, and strawberries for extra hydration and nutrients. Limit caffeine and alcohol, which can dehydrate you. Carry a water bottle to remind yourself to sip throughout the day. Hydrated skin looks fresher and feels better. Combine water with a nutrient-rich diet for the best results. Now, let's put it all together into a skin-friendly eating plan. Here's how to build your plate for glowing skin. Chapter 5: Building a skin-friendly diet. Let's explore how to nourish your skin from the inside out. Eating for healthy, glowing skin is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle. It's about making conscious choices that benefit your overall well-being and reflect in your radiant complexion. Begin by filling your plate with a vibrant array of colorful fruits, and ensure you include a generous serving of vegetables at every meal. These are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients, essential for combating free radicals and promoting skin health. Don't shy away from adding healthy fats like avocado. Incorporate nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your diet. These healthy fats are crucial to support your skin barrier, keeping it moisturized and protected. Be sure to include omega-3 fatty acids, primarily from fish, or explore plant sources like flax and chia seeds for a vegan-friendly alternative. Also, make lean protein a dietary staple. Choose from chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, or beans to diversify your protein intake. These protein sources help repair and renew skin cells, contributing to a healthier complexion. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, and supplement your hydration with water-rich produce like cucumber and watermelon. It's also important to limit your intake of sugar and processed carbs, as well as fried foods and excess dairy, as these can sometimes trigger skin issues. Above all, consistency is key to seeing lasting results. Remember that small, daily choices, when consistently applied, add up to big, noticeable results over time. Think of your diet as the very foundation of your skincare routine, providing the essential building blocks for healthy skin. With time and dedication, you'll begin to see clearer, brighter, and ultimately healthier skin that radiates from within. So, let's wrap up with some final thoughts to keep in mind on your journey to radiant skin. Always remember, your skin truly reflects what you eat, so choose wisely and nourish yourself from the inside out. Chapter 6: You are what you eat, and so is your skin. Your skin mirrors your inner health. Topical products help, but real change starts with what you eat. Whole foods, healthy fats, lean proteins, and hydration build strong, radiant skin from within. Be patient. Results come with consistency. Every meal is a chance to nourish your skin. Invest in your skin by investing in your diet. The power to glow is on your plate. Thanks for joining me on this journey to healthier skin. That's it for today's video on nutrition and skin health. Start with one small change. Your skin will notice. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay tuned for more ways to look and feel your best. Thanks for watching. See you next time.